Tired of not being able to copy your Discord profile link like you can on almost every other app? It drives me crazy too. You end up having to tell people your username and the 4-digit tag, and they still can't find you. Well, here is the secret. I'm going to show you how to create a direct, shareable URL for your profile in under 30 seconds. No more explaining, just a clean link they can click. So here is the game plan. We are going to enable a hidden setting called Developer Mode. Grab your unique user ID and then just drop it into a standard web address. 3 simple steps and you are done. All right, let's start by opening up Discord on your desktop. I'm going to use the desktop app here, but this works exactly the same way in the browser version too. Now, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen, next to your username. Do you see that little gear icon? Click on it. That opens your user settings. We are headed to the left sidebar of the settings window. It is a long list, so scroll all the way down until you get to the section labeled Advanced. Click on that. And here is the magic. At the top of the Advanced page, you will see a toggle switch that says Developer Mode. Go ahead and click it to turn it on. This setting unlocks a bunch of utility options that most people never even know exist. It is the key to the whole process. Now, close out of the Settings panel and head back to your main Discord window. You need to find your own profile. The easiest way is to just look in the member list on the right side of any server you are in, or you can click on your own name in the chat area. Once you spot your name or your profile picture, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up. Down towards the bottom of that menu, you will see a new option that was not there before. Copy User ID. Click it. That's it. Your unique ID is now on your clipboard. All right, let's open a text editor or a notepad file. Or honestly, even a blank browser tab will work. Go ahead and paste that ID in there. It will look like a long string of numbers, usually around 18 digits. That is your digital fingerprint on Discord. Now, we need to build the link. In front of that number, type the following address: https://discordapp.com/users/. Make sure you include the / at the end. Then, right after that slash, paste your user ID. So the full thing should look like this: discordapp.com/users followed by that long number. Select the entire line and copy it to your clipboard. Now, let's test it. Open a new browser tab, paste that link into the address bar, and hit Enter. And look at that. It loads your Discord profile directly. It shows your username, your avatar, your banner, everything. Anyone who clicks this link will see exactly that. Now, you can share this link anywhere. Put it in your bio, send it in a text message, drop it in a server. It just works. One more thing. If you ever have trouble right-clicking your own name to copy the ID, here is a backup plan. Go to any message you have sent in any chat. Right-click that message. In the menu, you will see an option that says Copy ID. Click that. It grabs the same unique ID number for you. Then you can use the exact same link building method we just did. Same result. And that is all there is to it. I really like knowing this trick because it turns something that feels broken in Discord into a smooth, simple solution. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in the next one.